Your roof is not only integral to your home's protection, it's a key element of its aesthetic appeal. At Magnolia Home Remodeling Group, we specialize in providing high-quality roofing services to help you protect your home and guarantee its longevity. Our team of experienced professionals uses the latest installation techniques to ensure that your roof is both durable and reliable. We understand that every home is unique, and we will work with you to find the best roofing solution that meets your requirements and budget. We offer a wide range of roofing options, including shingle roofing, flat rubber, and EPDM roofing, as well as metal roofing and other surfaces for residential roofing. No matter which type of roofing you choose, our team takes pride in the excellence of our craftsmanship and attention to detail. As a GAF Certified Roofing Contractor, we are committed to providing a seamless, hassle-free experience for our clients. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how our roofing solutions can enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your home.